హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, 23rd జూలై జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్కి మీకు వెల్కమ్. అండ్ ముందుగా వచ్చేసి cognizant ఈస్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ హూ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ and are ready to work in 24/7 shifts. 2024 passed outs are also eligible if they got final semester. And next one is Wipro is hiring for freshers who is having 0 years of experience, and walk-in date is 24th of July, and graduation passed out years would be from 2021 to 2024. And next, Artech is hiring for voice process. I have provided a link in the description to apply. Next, Sutherland is hiring for freshers for the voice process, and any graduate and postgraduate can apply and ready to work in rotational shifts. You can directly drop a mail to the recruiter. Next, new siting is hiring for full stack developer who is having experience of 3 to 5, work location Noida, and drop a mail with your updated resume. And next, Genpact is hiring for accounts payable role, record to receipt and order to cash, and accounts receivable. Next, Sutherland is hiring for Oracle EBS SaaS finance manager for KSA. Next, TK Systems hiring for Azure Cloud, Azure Synapse Analytics, Python, SQL, who is having 2 years in data engineering. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for integration consultant with 5 years of experience, who is having proficient in BStocks and .NET, C, SQL data. Next, Teamwear is hiring for next, Qualcomm is hiring for KPIT is hiring HRs who have recently passed out. Then they can directly attend the interview. And next, Air India is hiring for reservations and re-accommodation team, who is having experience of 2 to 3 years, and work location will be Gurgaon. Next, Cognizant is hiring for power platform consultant who is having experience of 3 to 4 years, and work location will be Bangalore, ready to join within 30 days. Next, Kotvi is hiring for medical coders and senior medical coders who is having experience of 1 to 2 years. Next, Air India is hiring for analyst pricing, demand and flight at Gurgaon location, who is having experience of 2 to 3 years. Next, Happiest Minds is hiring for delivery manager who is having experience of 17 plus years. I have provided the link in the description to apply. Next, Genpact is hiring for management trainings with expertise in RTR, record to report. Work location will be Jaipur, and candidate need to have 3 years of experience and ready to join within 30 days. Next one is Yes Technologies hiring for SAP PP, and candidate should have 1 to 2 years of experience. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for sales process. Candidate should be ready to work in rotational shifts, and salary will be 3.8 lakhs per annum. Next, Motherson Technology Services is hiring for SAP SuccessFactors program director who is having experience of 18 plus and work location will be Noida. Next, TCS is hiring for multiple roles and it's a walk-in drive at a Bangalore location. Next, Adico is hiring for customer support at Mumbai location and freshers can apply for this role, ready to work in 6 days in a week. Next, LTTS is hiring for a Linux BSP engineer who is having experience of 4 to 8 years, and interview date will be 27th July 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Next, Dr. Reddy's is hiring for multiple roles: QC Analytics, DQA, Drug Substance, DPQA, ENG plus ITQA. Next, teksystems is hiring for Java developers who is having experience of 4 to 10 and work location Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Next, TCS Hyderabad is hiring for multiple roles and walk-in will be on 27th of July. Roles are from the SAP ABAP HANA, SAP Basis, SAP FICO, SAP SD, SAP MM, CPI, Fiori, Cloud, Oracle Labs Finance, Oracle Labs SCM, ServiceNow. Next, Live Connections is hiring for SAP GRC professional with 10 years of experience, work location Bangalore. Next, is Tech Mahindra is hiring for sales role at Noida location. Next, Yes Technology is hiring for a project manager who is having experience of 10 to 12 years and ready to work, ready to join immediately. Next, coforge is hiring for strategy and transformation role who is having experience of 10 years. Next, LifeSci Jobs is hiring for lead data engineer who is having experience of 5 plus and ready to work from Hyderabad location. Next, Tata AG is hiring for health claims department, who is having experience of more than 4 years. Next, MSN is hiring for production department, freshers and experience. Qualification should be BSc Chemistry and experienced candidates can be from BSc, BCom, MSc and passed outs 2021 to 2024. 1 to 7 years of experience is required. Next, Happiest Minds is hiring for our CRM D365 technical leads and architects for Bangalore location, Noida, Pune, who is having experience of 7 to 16 years. Next, Air India is hiring for Chief Manager, Air India Launch, who is having experience of 10 plus years. Next, Lenskart is hiring for Social Media Associate at Gurugram location, who is ready to join. Next, Impact is hiring for accounts payable and order to cash at Kolkata location. Candidates should have at least 18 months of experience. Next, Capgemini is hiring for OCI role at Pan India location, so can join within 15 days with 6 to 15 years of experience. Next, Genpact is hiring for RTR domain, who is having experience of 2 to 4 years and work location Jaipur. Next, Capgemini is hiring for React.js plus .NET developer, who is having experience of 9 to 15 and ready to join within 15 days. Next, Cyient is hiring for C++ developers, who is having experience of 2 to 8 years. Work location will be Coimbatore. Next, Tsol Solutions is hiring for business system analytics. Next, Tata elxsi is hiring for medical device OEMs and technology companies for market research. And job role will be C++ architect, work location Pune, and experience 10 to 15 years. Have provided the link in the description to apply. Next, scientist hiring for embedded C programming who is having experience of 5 to 8 years and ready to work from Bangalore. Next, Teamware Solutions is hiring for a project support executive who is having experience of 3 to 6 years and candidate should be ready to join. Next, teksystems is hiring for ServiceNow developers for one of their product based clients and candidates should be ready to join. Next, Adani AI Labs is hiring for a data scientist at Ahmedabad location. Next, Genpact is hiring for record to report at Gurgaon location who is ready to join within 15 days. Next, Primus Healthcare is hiring for GRC governance risk and compliance in enterprise risk management. Next, Genpact is hiring a management trainee for the source to pay process in Hyderabad. This role requires a minimum of 3 years of experience in travel and expenses. Working in USS if you meet qualifications and have an immediate 60 days notice period, you can submit the CV. Next, Amcure Pharmaceuticals is hiring for SAP FICO consultant for Pune location who is having experience of 3 to 8 years. Next, Polycab is hiring for accounts executive role at Howell location and candidate should have 2 years of experience. Next, Chroma is hiring for a cluster HRBP having 2 years of experience into retail store operations and right to work from Nashik, Guwahati, Varanasi, Delhi and Ludhiana. Next, Adico is hiring for HR assistant who is having experience of 2+ years, ready to work from Bangalore and Hyderabad. Next, R Labs is hiring for BACS IT candidates, fresher candidates who is having SQL plus Java skills and ready to join within 15 days. Work location Bangalore. Next, Radio Big FM is hiring for sales team in Gurgaon and Delhi locations who is having experience of 4 to 8 years, ready to work from Gurgaon or Delhi. Next, LiveC Communications is hiring for SAP HCM specialist who is having experience of 3+ years, ready to work from Bangalore. Next, Chroma is hiring for cluster trainers for its learning and development function who is having experience of 2+ years in system training, behavioral training, product training, content creation, training needed, identification and analysis. Base locations will be Chandigarh, Delhi and Rajkot. Next, CGI is hiring for talent acquisition sourcing expert, IT and technical recruitment. This will be off role. And next, Genpact is hiring for accounts payable and order to cash at Kolkata location who is having 18+ months of experience. Next, Teamware is hiring for associate CIP finance at Mumbai location who is having 2 to 5 years of experience. Next, teksystems is hiring for Postgres TPA for one of their client and work location will be Bangalore, Pune or Hyderabad who is having experience of 3 to 6 years. Next, Teamware is hiring for performance testing engineer who is having 3 to 6 years of experience, ready to work from Chennai location. Next, elxsi Jobs is hiring for data engineer with 5 plus years of experience, including 4 plus years especially as a data engineer with hands-on expertise in big data technologies, AWS and Python. Next, Varchasa is hiring for Snowflake admin in Hyderabad location and are looking for immediate joiner. Next, Cognizant is hiring for digital workplace services of campus graduate trainees. Have recently passed out, and ProTV Global is hiring for C plus C developers. Next, teksystems is hiring for their client. Is hiring for data stage developer. Next, teksystems hiring for Postgres DBA for multiple locations. Who is having experience of 4 to 8 years. Work location Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Pune. Next, Sutherland is hiring for international voice process at Chennai location. Who is ready to work in rotational night shifts and work from office. Next, Sutherland is hiring for Consulting is hiring for Java full stack and Java backend developer with 5 to 9 years of experience at Hyderabad location and ready to join within 15 days. Next, People Prime is hiring for talent acquisition team lead who is having experience of 4 to 6 years. And Wipro is hiring for senior tech leads and managers in design verification and physical design for Bangalore location who is having experience of 8 to 20. Next, teksystems is hiring for EDC database developer position with 3 years of experience and ready to work at Hyderabad location. Next, IBM is hiring for functional verification engineers at Hyderabad location and a link in the description. Next, TeamVer is hiring for customer support representative at Bangalore location. Next, ITC Infotech is hiring for 5 tran with 6 to 12 years of experience at Bangalore location. Next, Genpact is hiring for ARCS lead consultant with 3 to 8 years of experience. Next, Advent Med is hiring for quality auditor at Ahmedabad location. Next, EPAM Systems is hiring for senior power automate desktop engineer who is having experience, and I have provided a link in the description. Next, Genpact is hiring for product architect role, full stack developers, mobile app developers. Next, Genpact is hiring for customer service associate at Hyderabad and Gurgaon locations. Next, Accenture is hiring for multiple roles, civil 3D engineers, civil engineer tower lead, electric piping discipline. Next, Genpact is hiring for RTR GL accounting at Jaipur location. Next, elxsi Connections is hiring for senior test engineer with 4 to 6 years of experience. Next, Hexaver is hiring for Workday HCM integration consultants at Chennai location with 5 plus years of experience. Next, Accenture is hiring for engineering services. Next, Consulting is hiring for .NET MAUI professional with 5 years of experience. Next, Humans of Bombay is hiring for senior manager client serving and retention. Next, EPAM is hiring for Java automation engineer at Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and Gurgaon locations. with 7 to 14 years of experience. Next, Caro Health is hiring for AR calling associates, and qualification, any graduate or undergraduate can apply. Experience, at least 1 year of experience in US healthcare as AR caller. Next, Cyient International Limited is hiring for antibody discovery team for Bangalore location, and candidate should have 5 to 9 years of experience, and candidate should have MSc biotechnology. Next, scientist hiring for mechanical engineer who is having experience of 10 plus years. Next, EY is hiring for SAP PPQM manager profile who is having experience of 10 plus years. Next, the Cognizant is hiring for a main stack developer at pan India locations, and candidate should have 4 to 10 years of experience. Next, Teamware Solutions is hiring for AIOPS engineer with 8 plus years of experience and ready to work from Gurgaon. Next, Gland From is hiring for drug regulatory affairs market department at Hyderabad location who is having experience of 9 to 12, and candidate should have B pharmacy or M pharmacy. Next, Cognizant is hiring for freshers for voice process. To apply, I have provided the link in the description. Next, teksystems is hiring for Power BI admin and support role who is having experience of 4 years and 1 year for the support role. Next, 3i Infotech is hiring for senior manager risk manager who is having experience of 10 plus years. Next, Deloitte is hiring for workday testing experts. Next, Cyient is hiring for project manager, link in the description. Next, Wipro is hiring for voice process at Kolkata location. Next, Advancement is hiring for quality auditor at Ahmedabad location. Next, TCS is hiring for Angular developer who is having experience of 4 to 6 years, link in the description. Next, Persistent Systems having ARIS process consultants with 5 to 12 years of experience, and Accenture is hiring freshers for different roles, and BCom and MCom graduates can apply who have recently passed out, and work location will be Chennai, ready to work in shifts. Zensar Technologies is hiring for Oracle Saas Cloud Financials, link in the description. Next, EY GDS is hiring freshers for tech ops and cloud monitoring. Next, TCS is hiring for Maharashtra location, Thane. Next, Persistent Systems is hiring for .NET Azure developer who is having experience of 3 to 5 years, ready to work from Hyderabad, Bangalore. Next, Xavier is hiring for DevOps skills at Hyderabad location. Walk and drive 27th July 2024 at Lemon Tree Hotel, and hiring Azure DevOps and Jira admin. Next, elxsi Jobs is hiring for SAP IS retail professionals. Next, Xavier is hiring for multiple roles: assistant manager, senior quality analyst, team lead operations. Next, assistant manager HRBP, and assistant manager for management, senior executive real-time analytics at Bhopal location. Next, teksystems is hiring for IT recruiters. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for SAP Ariba. Next, Indore is hiring for freshers who is having experience of 0 to 6 months. Next, senior Java developer is hiring like for next Allcheck Technologies is hiring for a domestic process customer care executive role at UP location. Next, Yes Technology is hiring for SAP MM. Next, HCL is hiring for cyber security. Next, SAP is hiring for Yes Technology is hiring for SAP SAC with planning professionals. Next, Yes Technology is hiring for SAP HANA SAP consultants. Next, SCL is hiring for Java, Angular, TypeScript engineers. Next, Dr. Reddy's is hiring for team member general safety at Bajpalli location with 6 to 8 years of experience. Next, Capgemini is hiring for ROR developer who is having experience of 4 to 6 years. Next, People Prime is hiring for full stack developer Angular React with the Java. Next, Artech is hiring for voice process and link in the description. Next, First Source is hiring for part-time job opportunity evening shift chat process. Next, Sutherland is hiring for voice process with 0 to 3 years of experience. Next, V Technologies is hiring for voice process at Hyderabad location who is having experience of 0 to 1 year, and candidate should be 25-kilometer radius and ready to work in shifts. Next, LTM is hiring for Azure Data Architect and a link in the description. Next, HCL Vijayawada is looking for experienced professional with 6 to 24 months with the relevant industry experience in Vijayawada location. Skills: Java full stack, .NET full stack, Oracle PL, SQL, SAP MM. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for network lead roles, 8 to 13 years of experience, Pune, Hyderabad. Next, CareerNet is hiring for HRIT recruiter. Next, EPAM Systems is hiring for SDET roles, automation testing, who is having experience of 6 to 12. Next, Power BI Janbhakti is hiring for Power BI, who is having experience of 4+ years and ready to work from Bangalore location. Next, Value Labs is hiring for DevOps engineer for Bangalore location with 5+ years of experience. Next, Fortusa is hiring for MuleSoft developer in Hyderabad location with 4 to 6 years of experience. Next, Airtel is hiring for network and security architect for our data labs. Next, Persistence is hiring for .NET developer in Bangalore location. Next, SCL is hiring for Flex ELM with skill set. Next, Impact is hiring for role of manager and senior manager in banking with 10 to 15 years of experience at Jaipur location. Next, Persistence is hiring for .NET developer in Bangalore location. Next, HCL is hiring for Flex PLM skill set at any of their HCL locations. Next, Impact is hiring for manager, senior manager banking. HCL is hiring for R&D team in Japan. Next, Brilio is hiring for DevOps engineer with 5 to 8 years of experience. Next, Teamware is hiring for HR operations role at Bangalore location with 1+ years of experience. Next, Fortusa is hiring for multiple roles in Hyderabad FileNet developer, data engineer, data science, ML ops, power platform, data visualization. Next, entity data is hiring for manager for private equity who can join us immediately. Next, Chromecast is hiring for QA automation engineer. Next, Capgemini is hiring for UX developer, UX lead. Next, Primus Global is hiring for service cloud architect. Next, MSN Laboratories is hiring for executive, senior executive roles. Next, Capgemini is hiring for automation testing engineer role at Pune location. Next, InTouch is hiring for data analyst with 2+ years of experience. Next, Artech is hiring for SAP C4C developer. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for B2B sales role. Next, KPIT is hiring for Artech and integration executive. Next, Teampeer Solutions is hiring for AIOPS engineer. Next, Consultancy is hiring for Salesforce professionals. Next, Azure DevOps. Next, Randstad is hiring for control management specialist. Next, Aston Carter is hiring for leading e-commerce organization. Next, HCL is hiring for financial service manager, telecom billing. Next, Randstad is hiring for senior auditor. Next, HCL is hiring for CFD modelers. Next, MRT Infotech is hiring for SAP FICO. Next, Protway is hiring for Node.js developer. Next, Impact is hiring for accounts payable. MRT Infotech is hiring for Java and Angular. Next, Protway is hiring for JavaScript developers. Next, Cognizant is hiring for SAP MM consultant. Next, R1 RCM is hiring for AR callers. Next, coforge is hiring for backend developer. Next, coforge is hiring for QA automation tester. Next, Power Apps developer. Next, ServiceNow IT assembly developer. Next, Oracle BA publisher. Next, Oracle is hiring for Oracle EBS functional manager. Next, HCL is hiring for Linux Unix support admins with 4 to 6 years of experience.